Alright. I am up. Run the intro. Hey, what's up everyone? Imran with MonsterGadgets here, and today is Friday, February the 15th, and today is a day we get to pick the two winners for the Amazon $50 gift card giveaway for reaching 100 subscribers. So thank you all for the wonderful support that you've given me. As of this recording, we're sitting at 240 plus subscribers. So again, thank you all for the support. Now, before we pick the two winners, I do want to just quickly dive in and take a look at a few comments that you guys have left. We're not going to pay attention to any of the negative comments. Unfortunately, there was some hate as expected. So if you are one of those people who left a negative comment, I'm just going to go ahead and ignore you because we don't need that negativity in this world. We want to focus on the positive stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in, take a look at a few comments, and then we'll go ahead and use an automatic generator to pick the two winners. And so yeah, let's dive into it. Guys, so here we are in my channel. Thank you again for all the views and all the wonderful thumbs up. I appreciate it. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance if I mispronounce your username or that's actually your name. I apologize if I mispronounce it. So call me BC. Thank you for giving back to your subscribers. I'm following on Instagram. Thank you, CB. All right, so Siba, if I do win, I'm putting the money towards the camera for my YouTube channel. Wonderful. That's good to hear, Siba. Good luck to you. I will go ahead and pick a winner here shortly, but good luck to you. Really great channel, underrated for how much time and effort. Sam, thank you. I appreciate it. As you guys know, I do read most of my comments and I reply back to the comments by giving a thumbs up or like, so don't be shy about commenting on my videos. I will certainly give you a response back, especially if you are leaving me a positive comment. So negative ones, again, I don't pay so much attention to those. Lewis, thank you. I've been interested in creating a YouTube channel. I've never had an interaction with one. To win this would mean a lot. I definitely will let a lot of people know about you. So Lewis, thank you. I hope you did spread the word, and I wish you the best in creating your YouTube channel. If you do create one, let me know. I will certainly support you on that. Scrolling through a little bit more here. Peter, congrats, bro. Also, Peter, yes, I remember responding back to you. One thing I do want to mention to Peter as well as others, don't let the equipment hold you back. If you want to get up and get a YouTube channel going, or you want to just create content for yourself and practice, please don't let any of your equipment hold you back. What it really comes down to, it is the content that you create, not so much the quality. Obviously, once you establish yourself, you want to do what you can to up your quality on the video and audio, but in general, just creating content and getting your work out there is the most important thing. So don't let that hold you back. So Peter, thank you for sharing your story and subscribing and supporting me. Ethan, thank you for your comment as well. Punjabi Mix, thank you. Best of luck on YouTube journey. Definitely enjoy your content. I appreciate it. Keep up the good work. Thanks for a chance to win. Absolutely. Again, you guys, I want to be able to do as much as I can to inspire you to create content, whether again it's on YouTube or not, as well as support you in any way that I can. So thank you. So let's go ahead and dive in a little bit here on picking our gift card. So let me go ahead and close this out, and I will go ahead and open up the window for the automatic generator. All right, guys, so here we are with the automatic generator for the comment picker. I'm gonna go ahead and enter my URL for my video, and it's gonna go ahead and filter all the comments. Looks like we've got 61. Let's go ahead and scroll down and let it pick a winner for us. So our first winner is going to be Quincy. I don't need anything. Great video though, bro. Well, Quincy, thank you. Appreciate it. Looks like you got picked, but you are good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and pick you as a winner. We'll do another pick. Sam Crane, really great channel and super underrated for how much time and effort you put in. Well, Sam, thank you. You are the winner. Let's go ahead and pick another winner for ourselves here. Quincy, it looks like it keeps picking you and you don't want anything, so we'll go ahead and pick another one. Asher Scars liked and subscribed. Congrats on 100 subs, mate. Hope you reach 1,000 in the near future. Followed you on Instagram as well. Asher, well, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and you are the winner. So it looks like we've got our 2 winner, guys. And congratulations to both of you. Please DM me on Instagram so I can get your information. I'll need your full name as well as your email address to get those 2 gift cards out to you. So congratulations to both of you. All right, guys, now that we got the 2 winners, big congratulations to both of you. Please make sure you DM me on Instagram so I can get your information and get those gift cards out to you. For the rest of you, thank you for entering the contest as well as supporting me on my channel. You guys, again, have been absolutely amazing. Make sure you stay tuned as I do other giveaways as we reach new benchmarks. So if you have not already, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will see y'all later. Goodbye.